Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today, guess what is happening today? This is day 2 of the casting. So we are going over to check out my models and then rehearse for the fashion show that is happening next week. So this is the final rehearsal for the real show itself happening next week. So come with me, let's go. But before we go, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the subscribe button. I want to even know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? How did you find my channel? Who told you about my channel? Who sends the link to you? I want to meet you guys. Let's have a chit chat in the comments. What do you do? I want to know. I'm a bit nosy, you know. So go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. Go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. You guys are the bomb. You are the real MVP. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you. You guys are the best. Like, I see you and I appreciate it from the depth of my heart. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching my videos till the end. Thank you for leaving your comments, and thank you for your support. Like, your girl, oh my god, I'm so thankful. You guys are blessed. Thank you. So if you are new here, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. Yes, I drop 3 videos in a week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Sorry, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes, you'll also find multiple videos on my channel in a week. Yes, if I have lots and lots of videos regarding grants and scholarships. So come with me, let's go. Do you want to see my full outfit? This is this is just a sneak peek. Don't worry, I'll show it to you guys when we get to the venue. So come with me, let's go. Let's go. Let me see. I just took your measurement, so let me see. And if you are returning, and if you are, oh my god, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you.